Hi guys, I've been using this shower thermometer for several months now, and I want to say that it's a really great thing to have, because you can see the water temperature before it reaches your skin. So good thing to have in your bathroom. And it is actually quite easy to install it. You don't need any tools to do that. You can do it by your hands, and even there is a warning about that. But lately it started to show me the wrong temperature. Like in 2 days I got it off by 40 degrees up, and that's why I decided to take it apart and take a look what's inside. It was initially, this one was installed here, and this fan was pushed all the way down, and those wires went inside it. Then this one was here, this one was screwed here, and this one here, and the filter goes here. Now to remove this part is quite easy. You just need the hex tool, and you unscrew it very easy. I had a bit of challenge with this one. You can see I drilled 2 holes here to have a grip on and unscrew it, and then this piece comes out easily. And we have here this fan, which is providing the power to the device when water flows through. And right now this is what I got to. So those wires seems to be the power lines to the thermometer, and this one seems to be the sensor. Let's try to disassemble it and see what's inside here. I can feel some moisture. It feels like it's a bit wet here, so I guess this sealant wasn't too good. That's why I get wrong readings. I wonder if those wires are insulated somehow. Let us check. Looks like they are insulated indeed. I cleaned it a bit, and let's see what happens if we give it some external power. So it works, but of course the temperature reading is not correct. It might be that the sensor is damaged. I will unsolder it from here and see what happens. I have unsoldered this thing from it to work easier on that. Also I unsoldered this anti-seize thermistor. This is the original one, and put another one in place. Also I shorted out a trace here. It is gone now, so I have had to connect this wire to the positive input, and let's see how it works now. So it seems to be working fine. This is a 10K thermistor. Let's see what shows us this one. About 200 ohms, so definitely this is bad. Not sure what happened, probably water got inside or something. And by the way, this cap has some small hooks here, plastic hooks, so if you apply a bit of force you can easily take it out. You just need to apply a bit of force. So that's all for today, guys.